mula, ngikumula, mula, ngikumula, mula. So in order to always be healthy, free from all the deadly diseases and illnesses, alkaline juices should be your best friend. Make them yourself at home and try consuming them daily. Replace all those sugary, expensive juices you buy from your grocery stores with fruits and vegetables to make your smoothies or alkaline juices yourself at home to fight all those deadly illnesses. What is the cause of all those deadly illnesses? Consuming a lot of acidic food. So if you swap from acidic to alkaline juices, trust me, you will always be healthy. Trust me, alkaline juices and smoothies are what you need if you want to always stay healthy. You will hardly cry of the pressures, all the diabetes, high blood, hypertension, all those deadly illnesses. That is because 90% of the cause of all those deadly diseases or illnesses are what you eat. So swapping acidic foods like all the foods you buy over the counter, all the processed foods, and going for whole foods. Whole foods are foods you buy raw. Foods or fruits you get directly from your farm. Come home, prepare by yourself, or make your own juices by yourself. That way you stay healthy. Those type of foods are alkaline in nature. But acidic foods are all those processed foods with added chemicals, added sugars, and the rest. They are the cause of all the diabetes, high blood, and the rest. So all these alkaline smoothies, juices, eating whole food is what you should be going for if you want to stay healthy. So the juice you saw me drinking at the beginning of this video is a very powerful alkaline juice you should try adding in your daily life, and it actually tastes so good in the mouth. I'll not waste your time. I'll take you and show you how to come up with yours yourself at home. And equally, do not forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. So let's get straight into it. So in order to make the very powerful alkaline juice, the first ingredient you need is a very powerful alkaline fruit like pineapple. So pineapples are very alkaline in nature, disease fighting, with so many vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system, and equally to give the glow you need for your skin. Pineapples have an active enzyme in it called bromelain to help facilitate digestion, boost your immune system, and leave your skin looking always healthy and beautiful. So you don't want to throw your pineapple peel, you want to keep them and use them later for your weight loss or metabolism boosting drinks. So what I'll be needing for this juice today is half a pineapple. So you simply just need to slice your pineapple. We need just half of the pineapple for this smoothie today. So I am separating the pineapples in two. So I used one for my smoothies, and the one which contains the middle of the pineapple is what I am using for the juice today. So you want to thoroughly clean your ingredients. Always make sure to always rewash. This is the first half a pineapple. The second ingredient you want to add is another very powerful alkaline fruit, which is cucumber. So cucumber is a very powerful alkaline disease fighting fruit or vegetable you want to add into this drink. It is 80 to 90% water based, which will help to your system to detox itself by itself. So you need liquids, you need a fruit that is like almost water based to support your system to detox itself, and cucumbers do that for you. Equally loaded with so many vitamins and minerals you need for the proper functioning of your system. That way you always stay healthy. So what we need is one cucumber. You simply just need to wash and slice into sizes that you can easily juice in your juicer, or maybe blend and use a clean cloth to sieve later. The next ingredient you want to add is another very powerful fruit, which is apple. And doctors always say an apple a day takes you away from the doctors. That is true because of the so many benefits of Apple. Apple has anti-cancer properties. It has so many healing properties loaded with so many vitamins and minerals you need for the healthy functioning of your system. That way you always stay healthy without falling sick. So we need just one apple. You can use any color of apple of your choice. I just love the green colored apples. So whatever color you lay your hands on is just fine. You simply just need to wash your apple, slice into sizes that can easily blend in your blender, or if you are using a juicer that you can easily juice in your juicer using your juice extractor. So yeah, this is one sliced apple. Make sure to always rewash your ingredients before using them. In here is my apple and cucumber that I just rewashed. Very important, make sure to always rewash. So the three fruits will be apple, cucumber, pineapple. So today I'll be using my juicer. If you don't have a juicing machine, you can use your blender and maybe use something like a clean cloth to strain the juice. But since I have a juicer, this is what I'll be using. But you can still use your blender as I just said, and simply use something like a clean cloth to squeeze, or you can just drink it like a smoothie. It is equally good as a smoothie, so you put in the fiber in your system, which we equally need. But since I'm just making a juice, yeah, so after you juice, make sure to mix well together, and voila, this is it. Disease fighting in a glass. This is health in a glass. Consume this every day and trust me, you will never or hardly fall sick. So don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.